Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamatama. Today I bring for you all a roasted pumpkin and red bell pepper soup recipe. Please do watch video until the end and follow the ingredients and structure. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe at your work. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईँहरू सबैजनालाई। तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ भिडियोलाई हेरेर अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनुहोला र यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर तपाईँहरूले आफ्नै घर परिवारमा साथीभाइहरूसँग र आफ्नो परिवारसँग बसेर इन्जोय गर्नुहोला। साथसाथै चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ है त। रोस्टेड pumpkin and red bell pepper soup recipe smoky sweet and with a hint of warmth from spice. It's a cafe style favorite that perfect for autumn or winter menus. Roasted pumpkin and red bell pepper soup. Ingredients 500 about 4 cup pumpkin peeled and cubes, 2 large red bell peppers, desired to half 1 medium onion, quarter 3 cloves garlic whole unpeeled, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika or regular paprika for less smokies, half teaspoon ground cumin, 4 cup vegetable stock, half cup coconut milk or cream, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley or basil for garnish. Instruction: roast the bell pepper, preheat oven to 200 centigrade, about 390 Fahrenheit. Place pumpkin cubes, red bell pepper halves, skin side up, onion and garlic on a baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with paprika, cumin, salt and pepper to toast. To coat, roasted for 25-30 minutes until pumpkin is soft. Steam and fill bell pepper. Place roasted bell pepper in a cover bowl for 5 minutes. This makes peel easier. Blend the soup, squash roasted garlic from skin into a blender. Add pumpkin seed, bell pepper, onion and 3 cups stock, blend until smooth. Simmer and finish. Pour blended soup into a pot. Add remaining stock and coconut milk cream. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust seasoning as needed. Serve. Garnish with parsley, basil, or drizzle of cream or toasted pumpkin seed. Chef tips: for extra depth, roast a small sweet potato along with the pumpkin. Add a pinch of chili flakes for a spicy kick. The soup freeze well for up to 2 months. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family, friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनाले टाइम टु टाइममा मेरो प्रोफाइलहरू भिजिट गर्दै गर्नुहोला र धेरै साथीहरू क्वेसन पनि हुन्छ कसरी जाने भनेर जानुहोस्, मेरो प्रोफाइल खोल्नुहोस् र वालमा गएर हेर्नुहोस् अथवा फोटो सेक्सनमा गएर हेर्नुहोस् अथवा भिडियो सेक्सनमा गएर हेर्नुहोस्, तपाईँले रेसिपी पाउनुहुनेछ। भएन भने अन्य मेरो सोसियल प्लेटफर्महरू छ त्यहाँ पनि गएर जोडिनु होला। स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस्, जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ खुसीको साथ जिउनुहोस्। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच। सी यू नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो। लभ यु अल।